Hey there folks, this is DMC Jedi Man. I'm coming to you with another video. Today's another taste test, but before I reveal what it is, don't forget if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you're notified when I upload. Check out my gaming channel sometime if you like video game Let's Plays. And feel free to follow DMC Jedi Man's down on social media. I'm currently on Facebook, Twitter, Discord, and Blue Sky. Links, as always, will be in the description below. So today I'm trying the Wicked Takis Spellbinding Sweet. I'm not sure if you'd call these chips or crisps or what, but these have a sugar and cinnamon flavor to them. Okay, they're tortilla chips, technically. You know, they released two different versions of these. There's these ones, which are based on Glinda the Good Witch, I think. Obviously, they're, you know, more of a sweet and sugary one. There's also a version for the Wicked Witch, which is a super spicy one that I will not be trying. Now, I've not seen the Wicked movies. My knowledge of Wizard of Oz more or less starts and finishes with the original movie. So, let's see how these are. Ooh, they smell like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, which is a good thing. Gonna say right now, that's a fail. Don't get me wrong, the cinnamon and sugar flavoring is nice, but it does not pair well with tortilla chips. It's like after the first bite, as you're chewing it up, you get more of the tortilla chip plain flavor, and it's like, ugh. So, yeah, I think these are a fail. I cannot recommend them in good faith. I will probably try and consume most of the rest of these. I might just give these to my buddy Bob, though, because I'm not overly fond of them. But that's going to do it for this taste test. I do hope everyone enjoyed watching it. I will be back with another soon. Till next time, though, this has been DMC Jedi Man, and I'm signing off. Peace, everybody.